Hello friends, Michael with you today. As usual, I trade binary options on PocketOption platform. And I want to inform you that in the description of this video you'll find a link to my private Telegram channel where you can find a lot of useful information about trading and different signals. So I also want to recommend you to go there because you will find a link to register on PocketOption platform and get 50% free on your deposit. So, as a bonus of course, I see that the price is falling strongly. I make a trade for $200 on a rebound. I suggest we discuss strategy today, guys. So, the rainbow strategy, let's talk about it. So, the first indicator that every beginner uses, of course, the moving average. So, if the price is unstable, then what is the best way to show its movement, if not an average indicator? So, it's not surprising that it's moving average that underlie the overwhelming number of various indicators. Even with the use of a single moving average, you can get very interesting results. For example, a moving average with a value of 150 and 200 perfectly shows the direction of the general trend. However, the most popular approach is to use several moving averages with the different values altogether. There are several popular combinations of them, and the rainbow is usually advised to be tried first. The trade brought us $382, guys. So, the price is not going to stop and continues to fall. Well, I make a down trade for $200 for it. Why rainbow? And why is it an important indicator? Well, it's simple. Only 3 sliding. We work on the rebound and sometimes at the intersection. The rainbow shows both trends and sideways movements. And as you can see, the strategy is very interesting. Well, let's try it up. By the way, why rainbow if there are only 3 moving ones? Good question. For some reason, everyone calls it that way. Setting up the rainbow, let's add 3 moving averages with the following values to live chart: 6, 13, and 26. To do this, click on the indicator like this, and 3 times on the moving average value. All 3 values appeared on the chart. Now click on the gear icon and specify its own value for each average. And don't forget to choose a different color for them on Style tab, but bolder. Everything is ready. Let's start practicing. And the trade brought us a new $382. I turn around and I make an up trade for $200. Basics of strategy. Let's talk about it. There are several situations of using the rainbow strategy, which we'll now consider. Upward trend. As with all strategies based on a moving average, all 3 moving averages should be lined up in a clear order. When we have an uptrend, then 6 is above 14, and then 26 is right below them. Downward trend. The same, but in a different order. When you make a trade, so our lines have diverged, the trend is going up or down. Now we are waiting for the candle to touch the midline with a value of 14 and bounce off it. On the rebound, at the moment of the rebound from the middle line with a value of 14, here it's brown, we make an up trade. Okay, it's a downward trend. A candle can even touch the middle line with just a shadow and bounce of it. This is also a signal. The deal closed at 382. Well, you can still turn around. I make a down trade for $200 at this intersection. This happens so often. The value 6 intersects 14 and 26. However, not every intersection gives a clear signal. This is an option for shorter term trades, more risky. But there will be much more signals because intersections happen all the time. Another question is that the signal only works with a trending market. If it is in sideways movements, the intersection should be ignored. That is why the rebound from the middle line is the essence of the rainbow strategy, which should be given priority attention, of course. In fact, the moving average with a value of 14 acts being a trend as a resistance line and works very well in the capacity. In a strong trend, a rebound can also occur from the bottom line. If it's trending down, it's aligned with a value of 6. When not enter into a trade. The enemy of any trade is the chaotic sideways movements. When the moving averages are mixed up like pasta in a plate and sticking to each other, then the rainbow no longer shines so much. The trade brought us new 382. I make a trade on the continuation of the movement for 200. 3 rainbow sliding. So let's summarize. We make a trade when the lines are lined up in a clear order. There is a rebound from the middle line, sometimes from the bottom or top. And at the intersection of 6 and 26, be very careful here. We do not enter if the lines are in close contact with each other. Line 26 is too horizontal. The market is in sideways movement. We work in a complex. Remember, absolutely all strategies, any, need to be supplemented with understanding of the market. Draw support and resistance lines, draw trend lines, channels and reversal patterns, watch the candles, use different time frames. Only then the indicators will give you an accurate result. In general, moving averages are the basis of hundreds of indicators, often very complex. A kind of fundamental brick on which the whole building of technical analysis is based. So add them, slowly analyze the picture, learn to see the signals we need, and only then start using it in practice. The trade brought us $382. I'm done for today with a deposit of $11,910. So guys, I thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to write any comment if you want, and go to the link to my private Telegram channel. Yeah. So Michael was with you, and I wish you on the successful trading sessions, guys. So that's all for today. Bye.